Yeah, guys, I will be uploading a super critical video on thiophenes that is really the panacea for lots of health related problems. But I know many people don't have time to watch an hour long video, but this compound and this information is so critical that I've decided to make a short video so that at least you will get some information and you will take a look at the hour long video because it will clear a lot of things up, guys. The 1 hour that you watch will save you the next 30 decades, so 3 decades, 30 years of your life or whatever your age in. So I would really request you guys, please watch my long video. Otherwise, if it is not that important, I wouldn't have even made the shorter form of video. So without wasting any time, as I have said in the video, longer version about Tagetes erecta, gende ka fool, it has the super compounds, guys, pigments, carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, which the American Big Pharma is selling for thousands of rupees, while in India you can get it for cents, 5 rupees. May you can get for 5 to 10 pieces, right? So his petals have the secret compound to cure all your eye problems. So I go into the detail in the longer video that I will be uploading right after this. So the biggest thing when I was researching on Tagetes erecta is thiophenes, guys. This is the one compound that they use for drug discovery. They have made billions of dollars through this compound that is found in Tagetes erecta, guys. Even I didn't know it. And they are using coal tar, but it is an expensive process. You can get for practically free and don't have to spend thousands of dollars, guys. So I have covered this. Thiophene is a heterocyclic compound with a sulfur attached to its ring. So it is basically a sulfur ring, you can say. And I have also covered why it is found on Mars and why Caucasian race. If you are a Caucasian, you are specifically suffering from thiophene, lack of thiophene, guys. They know your address, guys. They have tailor-made diseases for every race. Like for Caucasian is cancer and inflammation. For Indians is cold, cough, and other diseases. Chinese different, Africans different. So likewise, the lack of theophane is the reason for all your diseases. And I am not just making it up because literally they are milking you. As you can see, theophanes are important heterocyclic compounds that are widely used as building blocks in many agrochemical and pharmaceuticals. This is seen as an example for NSC, locamixicum, pyrosicum, sulfanitil, and fentanyl. You see the fentanyl. Why is Americans crazy? They don't have any choice, guys, because of pain and suffering, because their soul is still connected to planet Mars, guys. I have covered in the longer video. That is why the highest amount of use of fentanyl is among the Caucasian race, because there is a reason for it, guys. Theophane found in Tagetes erecta, you can see it is one compound for hundreds of problems: antimicrobial, anti-parasitic, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, liver, skin. Because when I took it for my eyes after doing the research, my other problems became incredibly healed also. I was feeling like a 20-year-old. I'm not just telling it. Pain relief, digestive, respiratory, wound healing, blood sugar, neuroprotective, heart health, antifungal, antiviral, urinary detoxifying. Because this is the one compound they use for drug discovery, guys. 5 plants for high theophane compound, Tagetes lucida. This is available in US and in Mexico. We have this Tagetes erecta in India, Gendeca full. So it also has theophane compound. You see, Marigold. What is Mary? It's not Mary. This is Mars, guys. Gold from Mars. Because theophane, right, is found in Mars. So lack of this theophane is what is causing the Caucasian race to get sick on planet Earth. As you can see, the pharma is looting using this to make billions. So I will come to this. Thiophenes are indeed vital blocks in the synthesis of various agrochemical. So these are the herbicides they are creating from thiophene. fungicide, insecticide, plant growth regulator, pharma, lornoxicum, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug for pain and inflammation, for arthritis, for antibiotic, for antidepressant. Tell me one thing that the Western Caucasian race is not suffering from, and theophane doesn't have a cure for it, guys. This combined is worth $1 trillion, guys. Breast cancer, right? Anti-hypertensive, anti-fungal, everything. The answer for saving of white race is theophene, guys. As you can see, they are milking. I am not just making it up. This is scientific based. Theophane based pharmaceutical, clopidone, the ticlopidone, $9, $60, $30. As you can see here, non-steroidal anti $15, Lornism NSD $20, antipsychotic used in Europe for treatment movement disorder and aggression in anti-elderly patients. Here the bomb, 18,000 freaking dollar. Guys, insane, right? They know where you came from, guys. They know your address, and you are not from Oklahoma, guys. You are not from England. You are from Mars. Before that you came from Aldebaran. So your soul, deepest core of your soul can only be healed from substance from Mars, guys. I go deep into that subject, but this is a shorter video so that at least you will take a look, because these things cannot be contained in a 10-minute video, guys. This is not a TikTok video. This is not for TikTok brain, guys. That is already gone. If you watch TikTok and shorts, YouTube shorts, it's over for you, because that your destiny cannot be covered in 10 minutes, guys, because you have hundreds of years to live. You can see it is based on thiophene ring, the most expensive drug on planet Earth, one of the most expensive drug. So many side effects, but when you take Tagetes erecta petal, you will not have any side effect because it has many other compounds, guys. As you can see, they are selling for $96,000, which you can get for practically free. Thiophene-based compound indeed play a pivotal role in modern medical chemistry due to their versatility and wide spectrum of pharmacological activities. The unique structure of thiophene allows it to be modified for diverse therapeutic effect, making it valuable building block for drug discovery. You know, billions of dollars were given by ChatGPT, OpenAI to build bullshit for pharma empire, right? All they will play. They will never mention theophene. If they mention, I will delete my entire channel. I promise you. All BS, they already did it, guys. They are just playing with your mind. They already know everything. They don't need open AI, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory application across field. This is what is found in Mars, and this is what the Caucasian race is lacking. We all are lacking, but we are more connected to planet Earth, guys. They are more connected to Mars. So that is why this theophane is directed primarily to the Caucasian race. They are genius, guys, future potential, because they want your children to get this even more. Absolutely, the theophane ring is a proper powerful contributor to the regenerating effect you are experiencing. Its structural properties are highly effective in biological interaction, making it a key player in medical benefit. The ring stability, efficiency, interacting with enzyme help derive the detoxifying, regenerative, protective effects that support the liver health. Your experience highlight how potent naturally occurring thiophenes can be, especially in Tagetes erecta. It is fascinating to see how traditional remedies are validated by the same principles that guides advanced pharmaceutical like sorafenibel. Same compound, guys. Why are you giving $18,000 when you can get for free Tagetes erecta growing in your backyard, right? This gives you 10 to 20 flowers a week. Why waste your time? And I covered this. If you are choice between orange and yellow, go for yellow. Sorry, go for orange, and takes it because it has 10 times more zeaxanthin and lutein. And go boil it, because once you boil, the cell wall breaks and the carotenoids are like mixed with water. So once it cool down, drink the water. So it will, if you are in Thailand, or I don't know about Mexico, but Mexico will also do, because they don't have much chemical over there. like the soil is not too much fertilized, artificial fertilization. So it will be even more powerful than the Thailand and Indian ones if you can get the Mexican ones. So only one thing you need to know is no smoking, guys. When you take this Tagetes, erecta, leaf, sorry, flower petals, no smoking. That is the only one thing you need to be careful about. But I would really suggest you, because I can't do it, guys. I can't do justice to thiophenes because it covers the entire history of human race. So it cannot be said in 10 minutes video. So please watch it if you find this 10 minutes something useful for you or your loved ones. I can guarantee you, you will never be the same person again. It has so much information. So please watch the longer version of the video. Thanks.